Here's the main city scene. We've got the city hospital with the air ambulance on the roof. We've got the towering skyscrapers up above the city. What else can we see? Looks like the town's been invaded by some Duplo type characters. It looks like the wall's been blown out of the town theatre. We've got someone being interviewed at the top of the stairs. We've got Iron Man and Superman climbing up the skyscrapers. What else can we see? There's so much going on. We've got two dinosaurs outside, like a town hall setup. We've got taxis, police cars. A train line coming through, so the train will come through at some point. A river scene. So I've got some bikes racing through the streets. We've got a chicken. Oh, it's going to night time now. We've got a chicken sunbathing on one of the balconies there. Here we've got a dockyard area with a seaplane rather, some boats. There's a guy here clambering up the lighthouse, and it looks like Spider-Man trying to fend him off there. Lots of boats and speedboats, a pirate ship making its way in towards the city. That's jet skis flanking it. And then here we've got the harbour scene with all the freight coming in to the city. See all the containers on the back. And a working harbour with a crane that's spinning round to unload from the ships coming in. We've got a shipment of bananas here that's just come in. They're being put in onto the waiting trains in the area. There's the hospital. Again, next to it, we've got a donut shop. Very, very healthy option there. We've got a cinema. We've got some construction going on. Oh, here comes the train. Yellow train just coming out of the tunnel here, working its way along the harbour front here. What we've got a Mexican restaurant with sombrero wearers outside. We've got Luigi's Pizzeria, a cinema. We've got a fish and chip restaurant. We've even got an English pub there at the back. We've got a lighthouse that's flashing. We've got a limousine, actually, on the high street there. Two. And a carnival going through the streets with different floats. Joe's Plumbing. There's a football game going on where we've got, looks like, rabbits versus chickens in a stadium there. On the skyscrapers, there's a poster at the top, which looks a little bit like Donald Trump saying, "I've got my eye on you." Work our way back round here. And this is an old steam train station and a bus station. Oh, here's a train again, coming back round into the main station. The train, the black one there, looks very similar to one you see at Legoland. Here's all the people waiting to get on the trains. And that is a lap of more cityscape. Oh, looks like an underground entrance there for the trains too. The train here is just departing the station. It's got a big castle, it's kind of like a Bavarian type theme, really. Got a nice big mountain with ski slopes in the top corner. A castle up there, forests down into the village here. There's so much detail, so much going on. So someone's made like a lemon meringue pie there. We've got a school, we've got kids on the swings, got a working windmill halfway up the hill. Train's still waiting for passengers to get on it. What else? We see the school bus there in the middle. It's just dropping the kids off. Family here. We've got a bald guy on the end who's lost all his hair, but the guy second from the left is clearly making up for it. Oh, and it's getting dark now, so the time changes, so you get both day and night here in the different scenes. So the lights are starting to come on now. We've got the Ghostbusters down here. Because it's dark, got their lights flashing, and the haunted house that they're investigating has got the lights flashing as well. And they're joined by Scooby-Doo and his friends with the mystery machine here too. There's like a villa here on the top with quite a glorious pond. There's a skunk being chased there by a lady with a net. What else we can see? Let's go upstairs a little bit and have a look. More scenes as we go up the stairs. Like an ogre or something crossing the bridge. As it changes, seasons change. Into the castle with all its lights on and all the detail too. And there's 3 different areas. And the city over there at the back. And a fairground there with an erupting volcano, which you can see is lit up right now. Here we've got the 3 little pigs hiding from the big bad wolf coming into their house at the front. And they're hiding around the back. On the opposite side, we've got the snow scene. We've got some mountaineers heading to the top of the mountain. We've got a winter Olympic scene with the ski jumpers and the crowd cheering them on. What else can we see? We've got the forest. We've got the 7 dwarfs making their way through the forest, coming down the hill. We've got a mining setup with carts going off into the mine. There's a farmyard here, a working water wheel. You know what this is? Maybe like an evil layer set into the mine underground. Family going off on holiday with the caravan off into the woods. We've got a wigwam. With a leader and his totem pole. We've got a working cable car at the top there too. Got the police, we can see inside, and that's Harry Potter, maybe inside one of the chambers. So we've got Ron, Hermione there as well. We've got working wind turbines in the back right there. There's a hot air balloon. We've got a bee man with his honey and his bees and his hives. Looks like this hot air balloon's actually crashed and they're in a bit of a panic. The farm scene. There's a man dressed as a chicken. Someone riding a horse. We've got tractors ploughing fields at the back. Some corn. Dinosaurs trying to attack a pizza. And a forklift full of pizza here. And dinosaurs attacking that. And we've also got a yellow submarine here in the water too. So here's the second world that we've got. We've got a working fun fair. There's dodgems, an observation tower. We've got the volcano erupting in the background. Ferris wheels, carousels. This one really comes to life at night. And this is styled on Fabuland, which is one of the Lego themes. Half of the volcano is made of Lego and the other half is made of Duplo. So you can see the blocks here getting a little bit bigger. We've got a beach scene down here. There's a tuk-tuk, people enjoying the weather, taking up some surfing, bit of a pier. And then we've got this big steamboat with animals on it. So we've got monkeys on the front, and dogs, alligators, all kinds of animals at the back, enjoying their ride along. As we go around, it gets a little bit darker. We've got more of a pirate type scene. Go down. Again, as it works around the volcano, it turns to Duplo. So we've got a Duplo style pirate ship. All the trees are made of Duplo too. It's just changing from night to day here. We go around this again. This side is all Duplo. People on the beach. It's quite cool to see the contrast. The theme park changes there as well. It's Duplo too. More of a beach scene. We've got a Duplo surfer down here. There's one on the Lilo there. Got a lifeguard on the beach. People playing volleyball. Massive sandcastle too. People just having generally a good time. Oh, and even here we've got a desert island. Looks like that guy's been stranded. Oh, we've got Wilson as well, the football from Castaway. And here we've got a catamaran. It's got dolphins along in front. There's someone as well surfing on the waves.